Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Samsung EVAP Cover ASSY part #DA97-13757A. The Samsung EVAP Cover ASSY part #DA97-13757A is a part used in Samsung refrigerators. It is the cover assembly for the evaporator, which is the component of the refrigerator that absorbs heat from inside the refrigerator and transfers it to the outside air. The cover assembly helps to protect the evaporator from dust and other debris, as well as providing insulation to help keep temperatures inside the refrigerator consistent. The assembly includes a plastic cover, foam insulation, and mounting hardware. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a damaged or malfunctioning evaporator cover assembly in Samsung refrigerators. It can fix symptoms such as a refrigerator not cooling properly, frost buildup, and leaking water. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the power source. 2. Remove the shelves and drawers from the refrigerator. 3. Remove the screws that secure the evaporator cover to the back wall of the refrigerator. 4. Carefully remove the evaporator cover and set aside. 5. Place the new evaporator cover in place and secure with screws. 6. Replace all shelves and drawers in their original positions. 7. Plug in the refrigerator to restore power to it. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.